Hi, in this video we will complete the face and I will show you how easily draw a beautiful girl face. Draw eyes area by a curved line. Use the center of the heart as a guide. And then specify the lips area. Draw a circle in the middle area between the eye line and the lip line as a guide for the nose. If we consider the distance from the center to the end of the line, the eyes should be drawn exactly in the middle of the line, equally spaced from both sides. Draw the eyebrows about 1 centimeter above the eyes, following the curve of the heart line. Draw the nostrils on both sides below the circle. And draw the nasal wings on both sides in the shape of parentheses. For lips drawing, follow the same pattern as I do. Erase all guidelines and start shading. First, start by shading around the face. Fade your shading with soft brush. Shade the eyebrow area evenly and fade it. Now, using a sharp pencil, draw the eyebrow hairs in a flicking motion. Draw thin eyebrows hair with a mechanical pencil. Shade from the third eyelid towards the eyebrows. The closer you get to the eyebrows, the lighter the shading should be. Fade your shading with a soft brush. Shade the upper eyelid towards the inside of the eye. When shading the pupil, make sure the top part is darker than the bottom. This will give the eyes depth and enhance their beauty. Fade inside of the eye with blending stamp. Draw the lash line under the lower eyelid, then shade below it and blend towards the cheeks. Fade your shading with soft brush. Use a sharp pencil to draw the eyelashes in a flicking motion. Start by drawing a few lashes as a guide, then fill in the spaces between them. Shade the sides of the nose bridge to define the shape of the nose. Do not forget to fade your shading. Shade the lips starting from the center and moving outward. The further you go towards the edges of the lips, the lighter the shading should be. Use blending stump to blend the shading towards the edges of the lips. The line of the chin and the indentation above the lips make the drawing looks more natural. We also add a little shading to the chin area. Draw a few hair strands on the face to make the drawing more beautiful. Add the light reflection in the eyes using a gel pen. And this is a final result. If you are new, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.